Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a MoYou London stamping plates haul video for you. I absolutely love MoYou London stamping plates and their stamping polishes, and since I am subscribed to their newsletter, I got a notification that they were having a $2 sale on their stamping plates, and guess what guys, I could not resist. I absolutely love their plates. I just can't resist whenever they have these awesome sales. They used to do $1 sales, now they are up to $2, but even with $2, all of these plates that I will show you today came to about $2.30 with some shipping. And of course, because I'm obsessed with their plates, I managed to purchase a few that I already own. So I decided that at the end of my video today I will bring you a giveaway and you can win some of the plates that are duplicates in my collection. So definitely stay tuned until the end. If you do like haul videos, then please don't forget to thumbs up this one for me. And of course, one of the rules will be that you have to be subscribed to my channel, so definitely do so before you leave after watching my video. So now I quickly show you some close-ups to this plate, and then I will come back and tell you the rules for my giveaway. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section, and I will leave you MoYou London's website in the description box in case if you are interested in checking out their plates. And as I said, the best way for you to know about their sales is to be subscribed to their newsletter, and they will be sending you updates to your email. Now let's jump into what I purchased and then I will come back. And as I mentioned, I did manage to purchase some duplicates, so I decided to do a giveaway for you guys. I will list all the rules in the description box, so make sure that you follow them all. If you don't follow even one of them, you will be disqualified and won't be eligible for the prize. But my number one rule is that you have to be subscribed to me. You have to be 18 plus. Make sure that you in your comment leave that you want me to enter you, so just put enter me. And I would like to know what is your favorite design for stamping, or what designs do you miss on stamping plates and you would wish that companies bring out more of them. The lucky winner will receive these 6 stamping plates. They are from different collections. I will leave this giveaway open for 2 weeks. So today is January 16th and it will be open until January 30th, and I will announce the winner in one of my upcoming videos. So definitely stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed, that you have the notification bell turned on, that way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry about my voice. I think I'm getting finally sick. But anyways, I really appreciate your support. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now, and I want to give back to you. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.